Jobs provide a centralized resource to manage artwork. Jobs are automatically created when customers share files through your file page and can also be created from your dashboard. To create a job from your dashboard, start by clicking the New Job button. Enter the job name, your customer's email, and an optional job ID. If you don't specify a job ID, FileSpecs automatically creates one for you. Next, click Add Product. In the menu, select your product type and dimensions. If none of the listed products fit, you can create a new product from the Products tab. Proceed to upload your customer's artwork and click Done. Once finished, click Create Job. Upon uploading, FileSpecs automatically inspects the file based on the product's associated Preflight profile. Click View Asset. On the left-hand side, you can view key file properties, including producer, dimensions, and fonts. On the right-hand side, you have options to download, replace, approve, or reject files. To address warnings, click the Fix Up button, and FileSpecs will automatically apply corrections based on the product's associated profile. Once completed, the fixed file will be downloadable and print-ready. Please watch our next video to learn how customers create jobs and share files using your file page.